how to start or stop work mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on modes and routines. Now in here, go down and tap on work. If you have not set up work before, you need to go through the setup process. So tap on the start button. Here, choose a place or time period. So at the moment it is set to this place here. So when I arrive at that place, then work mode will automatically start. And when I leave, work mode will stop. Or you can choose a time period. And then tap on next. Here you can choose to turn on do not disturb. If you turn on do not disturb, you can set who can call you or who can message you during work hour. And you can also set app notifications, whether they allow or don't allow to are not allowed to send you notifications. So I just want to cancel and then tap on next. Here there are three different settings that you can customize: sound mode and volume. So you can set sound, vibrate or mute during work mode. So during work, I want to set my phone to mute or simply to vibrate. And ringtone, you can also customize your ringtone sound, notification sound, and system sound. Then tap on done. Power saving, you can turn on power saving during work hour or off. And you can choose to open an app or do an app action. So you can perform an action or open up certain apps. And then tap on done. And from here, you can manually turn on work mode by tapping on turn on button. Or to turn it off, tap on the turn off button. You can also turn on or turn off work mode directly from the settings menu here. So in the quick settings, you go down to the bottom and tap on modes and then tap on work. And this will allow you to quickly manually turn on work. Or you can tap on it to turn off work mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.